right, welcome back, everyone. Quick turnaround. It is December 17th, and no sooner did I end my video yesterday than I got a package today, this time from Star Trek and Chill. I don't know what it could be, so let's just crack on into it. I wasn't expecting anything else to come, so mystery unboxing. Here we go. And I know I have not uploaded my last couple of videos, so I've got a busy... What? What? Ah, okay. Ah, for the member. Okay. Okay. You know, sometimes I'm a little slow on the take. I just have to remember about what time of year it is. Since I'm a member of the 7th rule, I forgot. That's right. Ryan did ask about a month ago. Haha, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I have a short memory. He did ask what my favorite colors are. So, for those of you who don't know, yeah, for the APs on the 7th rule, each year we do get our shirts. Nice. That's right. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. Yep, and I chose green and purple because, I mean, purple is the thing. Green is my nice earthy color there. All right. Very cool. Very cool. All right. So I was a little bit confused, of course, at first. I am easily confused, but there you go. Another unboxing video. That was 2 in 1 week. Pretty cool. Thank you again, Ryan. Thank you. The 7th rule. For those of you out there, consider joining the 7th rule as an AP, associate producer. You get a lot of perks with it. You get to join our roundtable discussions monthly, be a part of the free-for-all. I typically don't get to be on free-for-all. It doesn't mesh with my schedule, but you get to review upcoming episodes. We have new Star Trek coming up next year. And at our Star Trek Las Vegas, we have a dinner typically where we all get to meet up. And there's a whole bunch of other perks and whatnot. So check us out online. I will leave the links at the end of the video. Captain Nog Forever. I love this. Plenty of Easter eggs on this shirt. I love this group. It's been my family for a number of years now, almost since the very beginning of the 7th rule. And no other place I'd rather be. All right. Thank you guys for being a part of this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later. Be kind, be well, trek on.